So you decided to put yourself out there and start networking your brand. You're scheduled to attend some in person events, and you even have some virtual events on your calendar. But you aren't sure if you're prepared for the full experience. Maybe you haven't created a follow up system to keep in touch with the people you meet. Then let's take a look at the social platform LinkedIn and see how you can use the platform to improve your follow up. Hey there, and welcome to the Marketing 101 for Small Business Owners channel. I am your host, Philippa Channer, and I'm a content marketing strategist helping entrepreneurs and small business owners create, implement, and measure their marketing plan and content strategies. Now, I started this channel to help business owners like yourself take control of your marketing and get more effective results. So, this month, I decided to conduct a small series on the value and importance of networking and how it affects your marketing strategy. We're wrapping up the series today looking at LinkedIn and how it can be a powerful tool in your networking strategy. Now, whether you made a networking connection online or in person, staying connected is key to building relationships and making the business relationships you need. So, one great tool for getting this done is the social platform LinkedIn. See, LinkedIn is a social platform that's changed the way we do business. It is an essential tool for professionals to find new jobs, connect with colleagues, and keep up with industry news. And it's also a site that's connecting professionals from all industries together. LinkedIn is a social network platform that allows you to connect with both people and the companies that they work for. And it's a great way to network, find jobs, and create business opportunities. So, you can use LinkedIn to see who you know at a company or organization and then reach out to them or for an introduction or just ask them for their opinion on something. More importantly though, when it comes to networking, using LinkedIn as your go-to platform for following up with new people you meet is perfect. When using email to connect, the only thing you learn about your new contact is what they include in their signature block, if they even have one. So, however, with LinkedIn, you get way more than that. You can learn about their history, their profession, and keep up with their business development. Some people also even share their personal achievements and announcements, which is a great way to get to know someone and find out different things that you may have in common with them. All right, so LinkedIn can be a powerful networking tool, but it takes more than just a catchy profile to make the most of it. So here are 4 ways to use LinkedIn for networking that will help you build your business and grow your professional network. So, with LinkedIn being the most used business oriented social platform in the world, it's no wonder that businesses are increasingly turning to LinkedIn for networking opportunities. There are many different ways to leverage LinkedIn for these opportunities. So, first of all, connect with people you know on LinkedIn. Don't be shy to connect with others, even if you don't know them. Connect with people that may have like minded interests. Again, the platform is for learning and growing and finding new people. You also want to reconnect with contacts you may have lost touch with. LinkedIn is a great source that you can find people you went to school with, either high school or college, and reconnect with them and see, where they are in their business journey. Maybe you have expertise that can help them grow. You also want to share your insights and stories by posting them on there. It's a great way to kind of just show the world, what you are accomplishing along the way, what information you have for them. And so it's a great way to share this information. You can also, fourth way is ask your network for help. As a business owner, we all have challenges that we're facing, different things we need to overcome. So sometimes putting out a question out there about what people have done to overcome a challenge would be a great way for you to learn some different insight tips and advice to help you get your business in the right direction. So you can ask your network for help. All right, so that is just some ways to you can use LinkedIn to really improve your networking strategy. It's a great tool again for following up with the people you meet and just building those relationships and getting to know them. I want to leave you today with some tips on what not to do with LinkedIn that can help you also get going in the right direction. See, networking is a crucial part of connecting and maintaining an open line of communication with people you meet networking. So, however, it can be really hard to know what to do or say in order to make a good impression. So on LinkedIn, here are some simple steps that you can take to ensure that your networking experience goes well. One thing you want to avoid is not making connections right away with the people you meet. I advise people to go ahead, make yourself a reminder after each networking event you attend to within the next 48 hours. log on to LinkedIn and search for the people that you've met. See if they have a profile and connect with them. Make a connection. Leave a note to say how and where you met. That way, again, you're forming that relationship with them. So that's one thing to avoid is not making connections right away. You also want to avoid not optimizing your LinkedIn profile. I mentioned it earlier that just a catchy profile isn't enough, but you should have a catchy profile. Make the most out of the space you have and allow people to get to know you and why they should work with you. Fill up as much content as you can on your profile so when people get there, they're getting to know the person behind the brand. And then the third thing to avoid is not following up with your connections. When people beat you to it and they ask for a connection request, that's just fine. Make sure that you're responding and engaging with them. Stay in, log on to LinkedIn often, a couple times a week, and see what your connections are doing, what they're accomplishing, and congratulate them or encourage them on different posts, like their post, and again, just engage with those follow-ups and have conversations with them. These are real people out there having real businesses. And the goal, again, is to make relationships with them and not just a business card that you have filed away that you may never look at again. These are, again, real lasting connections you want to make. All right, so guys, I've really enjoyed this series on networking and how to enhance your marketing strategy by including networking in it. I do hope you learned a bit and you're on your way to a stronger, more effective networking experience. The key takeaway from everything I shared throughout this entire series would be to understand that networking isn't about getting sales, but making lasting business connections. Get out there, start meeting people. Who knows, your next connection may have the solution you need to take your business to a whole nother level. My offer of a free marketing consultation with me still stands, but today I invite you to reach out and connect with me on LinkedIn. I look forward to meeting you and growing our networking to business together. Until then, have a great week, and I will see you again next week as we start a new series on improving our local marketing strategy. You guys don't want to miss out on that series. We're going to go through a lot of different things each business can do to improve the chances of their business being found from local members in their community. You guys have a great week, and I'll see you then.